The ZixDeNex Cordless Pressure Washer delivers surprisingly strong water pressure for a handheld unit, making it well suited to cleaning cars, patios, and outdoor furniture without dragging out a full-sized machine. Its brushless motor and upgraded metal pump design provide smooth, consistent flow with less vibration and noise, which makes longer cleaning sessions noticeably more comfortable. The adjustable 3-level pressure control and multi-mode nozzle let you fine-tune the spray pattern from a focused jet to a wide fan or mist, so you can tackle everything from stubborn grime to more delicate surfaces. Being able to run on common Milwaukee 18-volt lithium-ion batteries is a big advantage for anyone already invested in that ecosystem, since you can swap packs quickly and avoid downtime. The included foam cannon, color display for battery status, and trigger safety lock add thoughtful touches that make the washer feel more refined and user-friendly than many generic cordless models. A generous set of hose and connector options, plus the ability to draw water from buckets or natural sources, gives this compact washer impressive flexibility for cleaning jobs away from standard outdoor faucets.